How to add and edit your Google Chrome homepage shortcuts. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can add and edit the shortcuts on the Google page home or Google Chrome homepage. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Google Chrome in your device. As you can see, I have added some shortcuts in my Google Chrome homepage. But if you're not able to find your shortcuts right under this section, then what you have to do is click on Customize Chrome button at the bottom right corner. Here you have to scroll down a bit and there is an option for shortcuts. Make sure the toggle is turned on. Once you have turned on the toggle, you will see an option here in order to add shortcuts. So to add shortcut, all you have to do is click on Add Shortcut button, and here you have to enter the name for your shortcut and the URL. Once you're done, click on Done and your shortcut will be added on your Google Chrome homepage. If you want to edit one of your shortcut, then navigate to that shortcut, click on this three dot icon right here. There you get an option to edit shortcut, click on it, and now here you can change the name and the URL. Once done, click on Done button, and with that your shortcut will be changed. So in this way you can add and edit your Google Chrome homepage shortcut. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.